What's up, guys? I hope you guys are all doing good and welcome back to Boske's FX Forex group. We really appreciate it, guys, to have you back once again to our YouTube channel, and we'd like to thank you all who just subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you have not yet done so, please kindly hit the subscribe bell and turn on the notification icon so that you will not miss out our new concept when we upload our next video. So guys, here on our YouTube channel, we talk about smart money concept, ICT concept, and order block strategies. If you are looking forward to learn about those concepts, welcome to the family. In today's video, guys, we are going to show you how to trade liquidity in forex market using the smart money concept. So guys, we are going to give you an explanation of the difference between break of structure and character of change within an abbreviation of Choch. Meaning, a break of structure is whereby the price will be breaking the previous high, creating a new high, and then you expect the price to come back to the previous higher low and pick the orders and shift the market going up as a continuous trend. And then a character of change is whereby the price will be sweeping the liquidity both ways, breaking the structure, either the lower low, as you can see, or the lower high, and then they will come back to the last demand zone or supply, which was responsible for breaking that structure. Meaning, as you can see here, guys, they took out the lower high, creating a new high. They'll come back to the OB or to the demand zone, which was responsible for breaking the structure, and then that's where we look for our entries. Meaning, that's a character of change. Why? Because we were expecting the price to go down, but they did what? They break the structure and created a new high and then come back to the OB or to the demand, which was responsible for breaking the structure, and then pick the orders and shift the market. So how do you use this character of change or this break of structure? This character of change, it's work when you see, let's say you find your demand zone. The first thing which you want to see is price going in to that OB, right? And then once they go to your demand zone, right? Once they go to your demand zone, meaning here is where our demand zone was at, right? And then the price came back to that demand, and then they shift the market going up, meaning the structure have now been changed. The price is now going way up. So the next thing which we want to see is the price coming back after breaking the last lower high, and then take the orders and shift the market going way up. If the market breaks the last higher high, creating a new higher high, this will be a continuous trend, whereby the price will come back to the last higher low and then shift the market going way up. But this will be the first higher low which will be issued by the dealer going way up. And let's go and show you the trade which we took using this character of change yesterday on Nasdaq. As you can see here, guys, as you can see. So the first thing is about understanding the character of change. As you can see here, we had a break of structure, and then the price continued going up, and then the price came back to the demand zone. And now, if we go back to H4 time frame, you will find out that we had this OB right there, the order block zone area, the demand zone. And then if you go to your H1, you will find out that we had last lower high, which was around this zone. As you can see, guys, let me zoom in so that you see clearly. So as you can see, here was the last lower low, and then the price come back down, breaking the structure, creating a new lower low, going to the demand zone, and then the price shifted the market going up. meaning now the structure was being changed. Why? Because the price have taken out the last lower high, creating a new higher high. But if you go back to 15-minute chart, you see that the price have even taken out the last lower high, which was this one, and we had imbalance candlestick right there. But if you minimize, you find out we had a order block zone area around this zone where we can find in 1 minute there was an order block zone area, guys. As you can see, we had that base rally around this zone. As you can see, around this zone we had this base rally, and that's where the price just came after breaking the structure. So I labeled my last lower high, which you will find in 15 minutes chart. As you can see, the last opposite candlestick was this one. That's where the character of change have been made, right? Meaning the price have taken out that lower high, and then this lower high was taken out, creating a new higher high. The price came back to the OB, and then they shifted the market going up. So the first thing which you want to see or to understand is your market structure. You start from your daily, and then you go to your smaller time frame to look for that character of change. And now let's go to US30. As you can see here, guys, we do have US30, and this was our daily time frame, as you can see, guys. But we're gonna talk about this zone because we can't go back with the because this was around May, but we can show you somewhere around here. But you can see I was labeling my chart nicely. We had as you can see, the price is still going up, meaning we are on continuous trend. The price took out that break of structure. That's why they did come back to the OB, which was responsible for breaking this structure, and then pick the orders, shifted the market going up. And also, if you break down to this zone in lower time frame, you find out we had what? We had a change of structure around this zone. That's why the price came back. And also, this was a liquidity zone area whereby most of the retail traders were being trapped. So the price just came back and induced them and picked the orders going up. Same thing here with our change of structure around this zone. And here, as you can see, this was a break of structure. After breaking this structure, that's when this higher low was being created. So we do not consider that as our OB, but this zone, that's where we can find our OB. And if you can go to smaller time frame like H4 time frame, as you can see, guys, that's where the OB was at, this zone area. You see, that's where our market structure change was at, character of change was at. As you can see, that's where we can find our OB right there. This was after breaking the structure, so we do not consider this. This is a liquidity zone area where most of the retail traders will be looking for what? For longs, but they were being taken out, and then the price went into the OB, shifted the market going up. As you can see, this lower high was being taken out, and this OB was responsible for taking out that lower high. That's why the price came back. As you can see, the price came back after breaking these structures. As you can see, we had a market structure breaker right there. We also had another market structure breaker right there. So here is where the OB or the demand zone was at. That's why they just came back, picked the orders, shifted the market going up, as you can see. And now the price came back. Why I did label this one? That's a lot of you ask yourself why Bosques did label this one. As you can see, guys, as you can see here, this OB was before breaking the structure, right? We had a lower high right there. That's why I labeled this one, and you can see the reaction after reaching that zone, guys. You can see the reaction after reaching that zone, meaning I'm still expecting the price, they might come back and break this one, because this one is still in the middle as well. They didn't come back, but it's still in the middle. So I'm expecting price to come back to this one, because this one was never being tested right there. This is a good OB. This one I just label it because it's below or before breaking the structure. So it can also react. It can also react, and you can see the price even give us a change of structure right there, but they are not yet come back to the OB which was responsible, as you can see, meaning this is a good zone to look for buys when price opens. As you can see, you just expect the price to come back to this OB right there. Then if they can continue going up, you just take your trade right there, because you already had a nice change of structure here and another change of structure right there. So that's how you use these change of structures. As you can see, let's go and give you another examples, guys. This is crypto. This is crypto, and we did analyze this. We'll show you the before and afters. We also have a Telegram group, guys. Just have to kindly join, and you can receive free signals, and also you get a chance to go in VIP where we share our setups. So as you can see here, guys, we had a nice market structure breaker right there, and this drop base drop was responsible for breaking the structure, right? But it was being taken out, meaning the change of character of change have been made, right? Meaning the price have taken out those zones. So this was the OB right there. As you can see, I labeled this OB here, this zone. That was our order block zone area, where we expected the price to come back. As you can see, this was a nice price approach to the OB. After coming back, the price went up, and also after breaking this structure, the price never came back to this OB. That's why they came back and picked the orders, shifted the market going up. You can even see, if we go back to 15 minutes, you use the last candlestick right there, and that's why they just came, picked the orders, shifted the market going up. So as you can see, guys, this was before. As you can see, the price came back to this OB. That's where we were expecting the price to come and pick the orders, and then shift the market going up. And also, this is our free Telegram group. As you can see, this was US30 yesterday on Friday. We took this buy. As you can see, we even took the Nasdaq buy. As you can see, guys, as you can see, this is where our trades was at, and this is US30, and this is Nasdaq. So you just have to join the Telegram group. We'll just leave the link below description. As you can see, this was also US30. You can see this was our supply zone. That's where we expected the price to come and pick the orders and shift the market going down. We expected this zone and this zone, and look at how the trade happened. As you can see, we took the trade right there. This was our sell trade right there. We shared it with in our boss case VIP analysis. As you can see, also that's where we send our signal. So you just have to follow the link down below description, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and you backtest with it, and keep on subscribing and sharing our video for more content to come, as we're gonna bring more content to you guys. I hope you had a blessed day. Thank you, guys.